Hey Dazzlers, here's my list of 10 things you should be buying at Dollar Tree. If you've been in Dollar Tree recently, then you may have seen Resin Studio products like silicone molds, pigment, and mica powder. I found silicone molds for making light switches, coasters, and for jewelry making. I was super excited to also find Resin Studio epoxy resin. They had part A and part B. These small amounts of resin are perfect for small projects, so if you thought about trying resin for the very first time, then here's your sign. I also found new ceramic paint in the color gold. I picked up sparkly vase filler to add to my resin projects, DIY acrylic boards, which I absolutely love, and wood panels for an upcoming project. Right now, the Dollar Tree has beautiful metallic maple leaf table runners and placemats. I found these table runners in the color gold, rose gold, and a pretty bronze color. Of course, I picked up a couple of the gold table runners as well as silver maple leaf placemats, and I'll show you what I did with those in an upcoming DIY video. Thanksgiving is at my house this year, but instead of using my favorite decorative place setting, I'll be using inexpensive Dollar Tree dinnerware instead. I found really nice gray burst dinnerware. This design definitely gives me Christmas vibes, but this dinnerware won't be around in December. I could only find the plates, bowls, and mugs at this location, but when I went to a different location, I was able to find the salad plates as well. This beautiful three-piece set for under $5 is a steal. According to the website, this dinnerware also comes in the color blue. And if you're lucky enough to find them in your store, these beautiful blue stained glasses would pair nicely. These glasses come in two different sizes. I also found ribbed glassware as well. These are beautiful. Check out these elegant matte black charger plates. I picked up several as well as some of the silver rectangular charger plates for, you guessed it, another DIY. Next, I found brand new Wall Street Peel and Stick. These sheets are easy to use, removable, and perfect for smaller projects. Several of the newer designs have either silver or gold foil, but my favorite by far is the faux marble. I also found some pretty cool Wall Street stickers as well. The Dollar Tree now has new natural wood colored floating shelves. Floating shelves aren't new at Dollar Tree. You can usually find the plastic in white or black. They even have a unfinished version as well. The newer version can be painted to match your decor, but they're also perfect as is. I'd say these are definitely worth $1.25. It's not fall just yet, but as you can see, Dollar Tree fall florals are already on the shelves. Now is the perfect time to pick up your faux flowers. By the time fall gets here, these flowers will be picked over and you may not find what you need. This year, I'm loving the eucalyptus and the silver dollar. Dollar Tree did a really good job with these this year. They look more natural and I'm loving the neutral colors. And as you can see, I already have some on display. Over the years, I've collected a lot of seasonal decor from Dollar Tree. These days, I usually just window shop in this section. I try not to display too many small pieces that I believe make my space appear cluttered. However, this year I did find some new items that I could not pass up, like these really pretty off-white apples. I also found these black, white, and gold pumpkins as well. Now, I don't decorate for Halloween, but for these, I will make an exception. Here are a few other impressive items that I found in the seasonal section of Dollar Tree. Next, I headed over to the frame and candle aisle. Most of us know that Dollar Tree candles usually don't have a strong throw. But I did find new gel air freshener along with two super cute small glass candles as well. I do have high hopes for these. Worst case scenario, I will simply use them for their aesthetic, but you never know, I could be pleasantly surprised. Have you guys bought these candles? And if so, how was the throw? Let me know down in the comments below. The mirrored candle holders are always a great find. I pick up a couple every time I see them. In the bathroom section, I picked up these really cute clear plastic containers. I picked up several of these along with some gold wire baskets to help with the little organization. And finally, Dollar Tree has new larger vases in the Dollar Tree Plus section. I usually don't purchase anything from the Dollar Plus section, but for $3 and $5, I won't be able to find these large glass vases for less, even if I visited my local thrift store. I don't think that the larger cylinder vases like this one will be on the shelves long. I picked up some really cool stuff from the Dollar Tree this week, and I'm super excited to show you how I used everything in my next few videos. Did you see something in this video that you'll pick up from Dollar Tree this week? Let me know down in the comments below. As always, I would love to hear from you. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If you did and want to see more videos like this, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, Dazzlers, bye!